Okay, girls. So, in last video, we will discuss or start the botany paper second. In botany paper second, unit 1 is based on the paleobotany. So, what is paleobotany? Paleobotany is nothing but the study of the fossil plants. So, in this unit, we have to study the four different genera. In that, first one is the lepidodendron. So, this lepidodendron, this यू हैव टू सीन इन दिस पिक्चर. तो पिक्चर में आप देख सकते हो कि कैसे ये लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन ट्री वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट था. सो मोस्टली दिस लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन इज नोन एज द स्केल ट्री. तो व्हाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्केल ट्री? बिकॉज इसका आप स्टेम देख सकते हो. स्टेम के ऊपर इसके लीफ स्कार्स प्रेजेंट है. दैट्स वाई दिस लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द scale tree. Mostly this lepidodendron is present in the as a prehistorical tree and in the carboniferous period. तो ये यहाँ पे मेंशन होना चाहिए कि this lepidodendron genera is only present in the carboniferous period. So in right hand picture you have to see at the terminal position there is the branches, and on that branches at the terminal position there is the strobila is present. What is strobila? Strobila is the cone of that plant. So in that cone there is the male and female gametophyte is present. At the middle there is the trunk or stem. So on that stem there is the many leaf scars are present, and at the basal portion that is the stigmarian system. So what is stigmarian system? Stigmarian system is nothing but the root of that lepidodendron. So next is about the stigmaria. So when in exam asking directly asking as a stigmaria, so stigmaria is the root system of the lepidodendron. So here stigmaria is present in the underground portion. अंडरग्राउंड पोर्शन में हमें यहाँ पे जो स्टिग्मारिया है, स्टिग्मारियाज आर प्रेजेंट. यू हैव टू सीन इन द पिक्चर दे आर डाइकोटोमसली डिवाइड. बेसल पोर्शन है, बेसल पोर्शन के साइड में यहाँ पे आपको दो दो ब्रांचेस वहाँ पे नज़र आएंगी. देन अगेन दे विल बी डिवाइड. सो दीज स्टिग्मारियाज आर dichotomously, always dichotomously divide. These stigmarias are arranged on the parent axis. जो आपको बीच में नजर आ रहा है that is the stem of that plant. On that basal part of the stem, that means the parent axis. So on that parent axis these stigmarias or roots of lepidodendron are spirally arranged. Then what is function of stigmaria? Same like the roots, anchoring and absorbing of the minerals. Then in the anatomical or transverse section, if we see the right hand picture, in that transverse section of the stigmaria. So in this stigmaria at the central part जो dark region है, in this dark region is nothing but the vascular region, and extensively or these stili will be covered with this cortex region. Then in the secondary growth or the primary xylem mostly present is the endarch. So what is endarch condition? That means protoxylem at the center and metaxylem at the outer side. So here in the stigmaria the endarch condition will be observed. So this is all regarding the stigmaria, that is the root of lepidodendron. Then Next one is the next specimen is the Lepidophyllum. So Lepidophyllum is nothing but the लीव्स ऑफ द लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन। जो लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन जेनरा के जो लीव्स है, लीव्स को क्या बोलते हैं? लेपिडोफाइलम। सो दिस लेपिडोफाइलम इज सेम लाइक द मेंबर्स ऑफ लाइकोप्सिडा। सो लाइकोपोडियम आपने एसवाई में स्टडी किया होगा। लाइकोपोडियम के जैसे लीव्स रहते हैं उसी टाइप में यहाँ पे हमें लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन के लीव्स भी नज़र आते। दिस Lepidodendron, the length is about millimeter to meter. So these leaves of lepidodendrons are various in size. In same plant, they are millimeter in size or also in meters. In that leaves, only the single vascular bundles is present. So at the center, you have to see in the first picture in that ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शंस ऑफ द लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन लीफ में आपको सेंटर में ओनली वन डार्क रीजन you have to see. So this dark region is nothing but the vascular bundle. So in lepidodendron only single vascular bundle is present, and at the dorsal side you have to see the two furrows. These two furrows are nothing but the stomata. So in that furrows the stomata are present. Then in right hand picture you have to see in the ligule part or some इंफ्रावेस्कुलर प्रोजेक्शंस। सो साइड में आपको जो लीव्स अरेंज यहाँ पे सिंगल लीव्स आपको दिखाया गया है और लीव कुशंस है लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन के, उसमें दोनों साइड में हमें लिग्यूल्स नज़र आएंगे। लिग्यूल्स आर नथिंग बट द लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर। जो छोटा लीफ रहता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द लिग्यूल विच इज ऑल्सो इन ग्रीन इन कलर. So at both the sides the ligule is present. So this is all regarding the lepidophyllum. Lepidophyllum, that is leaves of the lepidodendron. Then next is about the stem or anatomical or transverse sections of the lepidodendron stem. So on that stem you have to see in the at the outer side देर इज द लीफ बेसेस। जो हमने स्टेम देखा था एंटायर स्टेम जो फर्स्ट फिगर में, तो यहाँ पे हमें लीफ स्कार्स नज़र आए। तो जब भी हम व्हेन वी हैव टू टेक द सेक्शन ऑफ स्टेम एट द आउटर सरफेस देर इज द लीफ स्कार्स. देन in that transverse section you have to clearly seen about the secondary growth. So at the center there is the protoxylem and at the outer side there is the metaxylem. That means there is the enlarged condition. Some at the outer side there is the secondary xylem, then phloem and inner cortex. These anatomical section covered the large portion with the periderm and outer cortex. So in your notes this is in not mentioned but for information I added here. Then next one is the lepidostrobulus. So lepidostrobulus is nothing but the cone of the lepidodendron. So this cone is also called as a फ्लेमिंजिनेट्स. जो आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं कि जो लेपिडोस्ट्रोबुलस है लेपिडोस्ट्रोबुलस को ही फ्लेमिंजिनेट्स बोलते हैं. फ्लेमिंजिनेट्स कोन ऑफ द लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन. So these lepidostrobulus are present or they will be born on terminally. जो we have to see in first figure. जो फर्स्ट फिगर में आपको स्ट्रोबुला है, जो ब्रांचेस है, ब्रांचेस का जो टिप पोर्शन है, टिप ऑन दिस टिप पोर्शन द स्ट्रोबुला विल बी born. So always these Lepidostobulus are born terminally on the branches. Then on this Lepidostobulus, the arrangement will be, or the sporophyll will arrange spirally. यहाँ पे जो भी पोजीशन है वो हमें स्पायरली नज़र आएंगी. And in these Lepidostobulus they produces bisporangiate, or they also called as bisporangiate. So why bisporangiate? Because they produces mega sporophilus as well as microsporophilus. You have to see in this picture. So at the upper portion there is the microsporangium, and at the lower portion there is the megasporangium, जो पिक्चर में आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो. ऑन दिस, so this cone produces both type of spores, microspores and megaspores. Mostly these on the adaxial surface the sporophylls bears the sporangium. जो बैक साइड से on their back sides these sporophylls produces the sporangium, and on that sporangium the megaspores and microspores will be produced. So here you have to see in these photographs the sporophyll, the tip of the sporophyll is pointed and they produces the sterile projection. So this projection covered the sporangium, so they ultimately protected the sporangium. Also on that upper surface some ligules are present. Ligules, that is leaf like structure. So these ligules also protected the immature sporangium. जब तक these sporangium are not mature, these projections as well as the ligules are protected these sporangium. So this is all about the Lepidostobulus or Flaminginates. That is nothing but the cone of Lepidodendron. The next one is the spores. So in that Lepidodendron the spores are spheroidal or rounded. राउंडेड स्पोर जैसे हमने टेरिडोफाइटिक प्लांट्स में देखे, same like lycopodium plants, these spores will be small and they are spheroidal or round in shape. But here remarkably there is the triradiate marks. On that spores the three radiate marks will be seen. Then the outer layer, that is the exine. On spores there is the spore is made by the two layers. Inner one is the intine and outer one is the exine. So this exine layer of these Lepidodendron spores are the sculptured ornamentation. जो outer layer है, that is exine, these layer will be somewhat sculptured marks वहाँ पे हमें नजर आएंगे. Then when we studied the Carboniferous coal, तो जो we already discussed, this Lepidodendron plant is present only in the Carboniferous period. So when we studied the Carboniferous coal, जो हम कोल जो स्टडी करेंगे कार्बोनिफेरस पीरियड का, तो in that coal abundant numbers of the spores we will observe. So the it is confirmation because only Carboniferous time this Lepidodendron plant is present. So this is all regarding the spores of the Lepidodendron. Then last one is the Lepidocarpon. So Lepidocarpon is nothing but the seeds of the Lepidodendron. So जो लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन के सीड्स है, these seeds are called as the lepidocarpon. So in right hand there is the picture of the lepidocarpon. So in that you have to see there is the only in the female gametophyte development they produces 4 megaspores, but on that 4 megaspores only one megaspore is functional and three will be abortive. ओनली उसमें से जो 4 मेगास्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं उसमें एक ही फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर्स रहता है और बाकी के एबॉर्टिव रहते हैं. सो दिस जो सिंगल फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर्स है, दिस सिंगल फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर्स is goes on the meiosis and they form the 4 megaspores. सिंगल फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर्स में फिर मियोसिस हो जाता है. मियोसिस के बाद दे प्रोड्यूसेस द 4 megaspores. So these in that 4 megaspores the only one is large in size and this is the functional megaspores. So these functional megaspores produces the archegonia. The functional megaspores they produces archegonia. You have to see in the picture of archegonia. So this archegonia is also called as the female gametophyte. This female gametophyte is covered with these integuments or false माइक्रोफाइल. जो आप आउटर साइड्स में वहाँ पे दिख रहे हो that is the integuments and some at the upper position there is the micropylar opening is there. At the base there is the vascular bundles and at the base there is the two sides pericnos is present. So this is the functional or archegonium which is produced by the functional megaspore. So the structure of this lepidocarpon is same or similar like the gymnospermic ovules. जो gymnospermic plants है, gymnospermic plants like cycas, these ovules is similar like the gymnospermic group. And this female gametophyte or lepidocarpon later on they produces the seeds. So many scientists suggest that this lepidocarpon is the connection between the pteridophyte and gymnosperm. Pteridophytes, as you know, pteridophytic plants they not produces the seeds, but the gymnospermic plants are produces seeds or ovules. So the scientists suggested that this lepidocarpon is the connection between pteridophytic plants and gymnospermic plants. So those characters we will discuss in this part, lepidodendron. So this lepidodendron, some part is same like the pteridophytic plant, some characters related to gymnospermic plants. That's why the scientists discuss or they suggested this is the connection between the pteridophytic group and gymnospermic group. So this is all regarding the lepidodendron. So in this part we will discuss the first of all stigmaria, that is the root of lepidodendron. Then lepidophyllum is nothing but the leaves of lepidodendron. Then lepidostabulus, that means cone of the lepidodendron, and last one is the lepidocarpon, that is the seeds of the lepidodendron. So here the lepidodendron is or lepidodendron genera is finished. So all of you understand these lepidodendron generas. Okay. So here lepidodendron is finished. In next video we will or next lecture we discuss about the next genera that is the Pentoxylon. If any problem you can discuss with the WhatsApp groups. ठीक है, यदि किसी को कोई पूछना है तो आप WhatsApp पे वहाँ पे हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. ओके.
बाइक वाले केस में अगर हमने संतोष शर्मा के थ्रू सीसीटीवी वाले चोर की इंफॉर्मेशन करिश्मा सिंह तक नहीं पहुंचाई होती तो शायद ये केस सॉल्व ही नहीं होता क्योंकि वो तो ऑलमोस्ट
ओके स्वालिया, हम लाइजनम तेरिस लेंगे, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. वो अलग अलग जीनस है. आप जो नोट्स है नोट्स के हिसाब से पूरा लिखो. हर एक जनरा का अलग अलग और क्वेश्चन जो आते हैं वो हर एक पे आते हैं. ठीक है, तो मैं मीटिंग यहाँ पे फिनिश करती हूँ हमारी.